So let's have first the harmonic sequence. What is harmonic sequence? Harmonic sequence is a sequence that the reciprocal of the terms form an arithmetic sequence. Ang harmonic sequence ay reciprocal siya ng arithmetic sequence. Okay, so let's have an example. We have the arithmetic sequence 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, 3, 6, 9, 12. The pattern is we add 3 or the common difference is 3. In arithmetic sequence, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Pagdating sa harmonic sequence, it becomes 1 over 3, 1 over 6, 1 over 9, 1 over 12. Okay, kung ano yung arithmetic sequence, kukunin lang yung reciprocal. So, yun yung magiging harmonic sequence. Okay, let's have an example number 1. What is the next term in the sequence? 1 over 3, 1 over 6, 1 over 9, 1 over 12. What is the next term? To find the next term, we're going to find the next term of an arithmetic sequence 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, the common difference is 3. Therefore, the next term of the arithmetic sequence is 15. And then, we're going to find the reciprocal of 15. And the reciprocal of 15 is 1 over 5. Is the next term of the harmonic sequence. Okay, next number 2. Given the arithmetic sequence 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, find the first 7 terms of the corresponding harmonic sequence. Okay, so this is the solution. We're going to complete the 7 terms of the given arithmetic sequence. Okay, first, let us identify what is the pattern or what is the common difference. Okay, based on the given, we have 14, 12, 10, 8, 6. The common difference is negative 2. Okay, kung napapansin nyo, nag-a-add tayo ng negative 2. So, 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 or 6. Or, 14 plus negative 2 is 12. 12 plus negative 2 is 10. 10 plus negative 2 is 8. 8 plus negative 2 is 6. That is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. Okay, now we have 14, 12, 10, 8, 6. The first term is 14, the second term is 12, the third term is 10, fourth term is 8, fifth term is 6, and the sixth term is, by adding negative 2, we have 6 plus negative 2, the answer is 4. And to find the a sub 7 or the 7th term, we add negative 2. So, 4 plus negative 2 equals 2. Okay, so those are the 7 terms of the arithmetic sequence. The next term is to find the reciprocal of the arithmetic sequence 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Therefore, the first 7 terms of the harmonic sequence are 1 over 14, 1 over 12, 1 over 10, 1 over 8, 1 over 6, 1 over 4, 1 over 2. Okay, number 3. Given the arithmetic sequence 25, 20, 15, 10. Okay, so the question is find the 9th term of the corresponding harmonic sequence. So this is the solution. Determine the 9th term of the arithmetic sequence. So, kunin muna natin yung 9th term or pang-9 na term ng arithmetic sequence. Kung i-observe natin yung pattern, we have 25, 20, 15, 10. So, nag-a-add tayo ng negative 5. Okay? So, 25 plus negative 5 is 20. 20 plus negative 5 is 15. Plus negative 5 is 10. That is the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. Next, 25, 20, 15, 10. 25 is a sub 1, 20 is a sub 2, 15 is a sub 3, 10 is a sub 4. Okay, para makuha natin ang a sub 19, kunin muna natin lahat ng terms, which is ang a sub 5 is 5, a sub 6 is 0, a sub 7 is 0 plus negative 5 is negative 5. Then, a sub 8 is negative 5 plus negative 5 is negative 10. And a sub 9 negative 10 plus negative 5 is negative 15. Okay, so next, the arithmetic sequence 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0, negative 5, negative 10, negative 15. Therefore, the ninth term of the harmonic sequence is negative 1 over 15. Now, let's solve your activity number 1, which is the harmonic sequence activity. Number 1, find the 10th term of the harmonic sequence 1 over 4, 1 over 7, 1 over 10, 1 over 13. Number 2, given the arithmetic sequence 11, 9, 7, 5, find the 6th term.
Okay, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.